Maat 860 is to remind you, viewers all over the world that is watching this very video, if you are not born into riches, then quit living in illusions. That money will fall from heaven into your hands in the name of luck. That is illusions. If you are not born rich, then cease living in delusions, daydreaming that money grows on trees and one day you will reach money and begin to pluck it. It doesn't happen that way. Life doesn't work that way. You see, you have to begin to practically do the right things that attract money. And key of which is you have to discover the right product. You have to test and try that very product. And when you test and try that very product, that one product that served you and you know has a potential to serve millions can be able to make you a millionaire. Are we clear on that? You're wondering whose voice are you hearing? This is LTBLIGHT Premier Member #1, coachEmen, reaching you live and direct. Our staff of command was raised in our ward when we realized that poverty and imbalance exist in our world. A suffers under imbalance. A suffers under poverty only because he does not know what M knows. Do you know what M knows? Do you know who M is? M is Moses of old. Moses, our great teacher. M is that very great teacher. When he was going to lead his own people away from illusion towards enlightenment, he transformed this very staff into a serpent. Do you know how? Know how? You do not know. Chances are that your guru that continue to mesmerize you, your pastors that continue to hypnotize you, your imams that continue to bamboozle you, chances are that they do not know. Because if they know, probably you know, but you do not know how Moses transformed that very staff into a serpent. Do you also know how Moses transformed that very serpent into a staff? It's so serpent we are told swallowing the staff of all the black magicians and bloody magicians, all the white magicians. Do you know how? You see, this is MAHAT, light magic at its best. If you do not know, you're still subhuman, subdued on earth, subservient to the dictates of men, to the influence of men. You have to know this very art. You have to master it in the privacy of your own home in order to be able to step away from the delusions of the day. Until you know it, you are not operating on truth. Until you know it, you are not empowered on it. Our key, what we bring to the table is the enlightenment of our people, taking them above that entertainment. We understand that every one of us knows God, loves God, trusts God, believes in God, fears God. We understand that entertainment mode, just as we love our mother, we fear our mother, we trust our mother. We all started by drinking, by being breastfed, entertainment mode. Just as we love our tree, the tree top, we can easily go there and pluck our tree and pluck our fruits. Take, take, and satisfy ourselves. We know it, entertainment mode. We know it too well. But how about enlightenment mode? Know yourself. To be that very one that begins to give to your own people. Empowerment mode. To be that very one that begins to give to your own land. You see, this is the powerful mode that we want to bring you up to. And you're wondering whose voice? LTBLIGHT Premier Member, coachEmen, doing it live like we have been doing it. Today is the 860th day. A call to our own people to cease to dwell in that illusion, to come out. The one that sent you this very message knows that after watching this very video, you will begin to hate it with all your heart, with a venom. To be dwelling eyes closed in illusion, to be dwelling knees bent in delusions. It is time for you to stand up now as the sun. Do the work as the sun with your legs. Do the work with your hands, with the moon, with your mind and hands. If it is difficult for our people to think, what we tell them is that today they can be making it possible for them to think and grow rich. What we are telling them is that today they can begin to share a testimony, and that is to thank and begin to grow rich. With your testimony, with your brand new testimony, you can begin to do it. With a new testimony from your mouth, you can begin to do it. Follow the successful and you too become successful. Listen to our clarion call, our historic call, no different from the call given to Abraham of old. When he seized it, he ceased to be barren on earth and became fruitful on earth. When Moses seized this same call, he ceased to be nobody on earth, upon the face of the earth, to become somebody that lives forever and ever. Today is your own day. Begin now to master your environment, to master your life, to be in control and in charge of your life. Download. Follow the link that is here below or at this very end. Follow that very link and reach our website now and begin to download the antidote against the destroyer's hands. That is planting awareness into your life and into the life of millions. Also, download our wealth building plan. LTBLIGHT wealth building plan is on a mission, and every mission is simple: for you to emerge as the winner and for you to live really on it. It is not bulky. It is a simple 10-day exercise, MAHAT exercise, carefully prepared by your own ancestors. You're being led by seasoned hands, not us. You're being led for you to connect back to the energies. You can invent it and become a millionaire. You can invest it and become a millionaire. You can share it, market it, and become a millionaire. Okay? It's as simple as that. We will leave it at that. 860th day. We've done noble to this very day's message. Our mantra is very simple, and that is for you to ask for good. Okay, begin now to ask for good. Ask for the best things in life. Begin to request it from your neighbors. Begin to request it from your leaders. Begin to request it in the online. Okay, let us go online and begin to make money together. A reflection of our own fathers, of our own mission, of their mission and their will for us on earth, is that we will not continue to live in poverty, and you can begin to live that very will. Okay, we appreciate you. We want you to go now so that we can be able to go and attend to other callings. All right, LTBLIGHT Premier Member is signing off. Remember at the end of this video to like it and subscribe to it and to share it and to promote it. You shall be well with us. Thank you.